Welcome to the VAR poster designing tutorial. So let's get started. We can make a new document with a white background with a 920 into 1080 pixel dimension. Then we're gonna make background texture, so we can import an image. That's first one is the smoke or the blast scene, so we can keep it and make sure to keep the smoke part only in the document. Then we can black and white that particular image. Keep the radius value just above 50 minus 50. Then import the next image. Go to file and place embedder. Then choose then change the opacity value to 50 or 40, whatever you can choose. Then change the blending mode to overlay. So next we're gonna add one more texture, that's a smoke image. Place it on the top, then change the blending mode to soft light. Well, the next section we're gonna add the soldier image, so we can go and just add that soldier image. Then we can resize it by pressing Ctrl T, make it a little bit bigger. So this is our image for the poster. So we can play around with the levels, so it will turn into more darker the poster background. So play around with the levels, then make it like this. Then next we're gonna add text to the poster. That's select the text tool, then type World War. I'm using the font called Chunk 5. You can download from here. Select the text layer, then right click, then go to blending options. Then you can add either a bevel and emboss, then add a texture to that text. You are free to choose your texture. And change the gradient whatever you want. So make sure to place a bright color because we need to get noticed the text more rather than the background. At last we can add some drop shadow to the text, so make sure to keep the angle 120 degree. Then you're free to choose the distance, keep it in between 10 and 12. That's the better value. That's 11 I given. So this is the easy way to make a war movie poster.